I'm Chad. And I'm mad. No, really. I'm really mad. She's Maddie. And this is Matt and Chad. Now this is nothing like iCarly. It's kind of like an exact parody. We're going to be doing skits. Our first skit is Dart Gunfight. In here. Okay, so it's Chad and Mad. I'm going to be over here, and Mad is going to be over there. Over there. So let's start filming this Dart Gunfight. Anyway, we're in here, and I've chosen my gun. The Nerf Strike Fire with 6 darts.
I choose the Raider.
Okay, let's drop. Hey, it's Chad
And Mad.
and that was Dart Gunfight. Okay, stop. Anyway, if you're wondering why our shirts are different, we took showers! And for our next segment, you just saw it, Slap Attack!
Yeah.
This is my lucky day.
Now you hear that from Mad and Chad's Slussing Place.
Anyway, that's it for this episode of Mad and Chad. Okay, help me. This is Bear Riding on Hunter Production. And for our next segment, you just saw it, Slap Attack!
Yeah.
This is my lucky day.
Now you hear that from Mad and Chad's Slussing Place.